Okay, so this stage, now I'm gonna do some woody effect to it, but I've used agarwood, but that was to neutralize the perfume into fresh, not fruity, but yes, the green apple smell is in the very low tone, and it's the aldehydes are coming on the front. So basically what I need to do is to introduce a strong oud, but very small quantity. And the oud I have is Dahnal oud, and this one is, wow, is animalic. So this is the Dahnal oud, and this is from one of my suppliers, and it's one of the best qualities you can get, and it's very, very expensive. So you can see I'm using only just 5 ml, not much. But for that I've used helianol and the mixture of oud. So 5 ml of the oud and 45 ml of helianol. So this gonna be making into oud and floral. So this is the thing I've learned over the time, this formula, the one I'm making for you guys. This will create some perfumes that you can't forget, you know, those kind of things. So I've done a lot of experiments on it. It cost me a lot of money. A lot of them were wasted because I failed it. But now this is the perfect formula, the way I make it. Right, so 50 ml of this mixture. 5 ml is Dahnal oud, or you get the best oud. It needs to be in the purest form, so it needs to be animalic smell to it. Then this thing will work fine, you know. And then the perfume will be of I mean, high-end perfumes, you know. This can beat it, because a lot of my customers, they are the one who tell me, you know, which one is working for them or which one is not. So I'm gradually adding that, and it's beautiful already. This is the thing, helianol has its own strong smell, and when you mix it with Dahnal oud, it becomes into something magical already. I mean, I could stop there just using those two together, but obviously for perfumery you have to create a lot of magic to make it work. But obviously everything is from experiments, and we do all the learning by doing experiments and failing them most of the time, and then one time you can get the best result. Okay, so quantity wise we are approaching our limit of 1000 ml. I try to be prepared that what if it goes above 1000 ml. So the things that I'm not going to use now, it's just look into those things which are extra. So you can add extra in the perfumes to make them even better, keeping the same momentum of the smell. So if that's the case, I have a choice here just to reach the 1000 ml limit, and then keep it there and don't use any extra stuff in it. Okay, so we'll come back and see.